In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Base44 with a custom domain. We'll walk through the process together from inside your Base44 account, so by the end you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect on screen. Make sure you're already logged into Base44 before you start, and that you have a project set up that you want to connect to your domain. First, open Base44 and select the project you want to use. This is the specific site or app that will live on your custom domain. Take a second to double check you've chosen the right one, especially if you have multiple projects in your account. Once your project is open, look towards the top area of the interface and click on the dashboard option. The dashboard is your main control center for that project. It's where you handle things like settings, publishing, and in this case, domain configuration. From the dashboard view, locate and click on the section labeled Domain. This is where Base44 keeps everything related to how your project is accessed on the web. If you don't see it right away, look for a settings or overview area in the workspace. The domain option is usually grouped there. When you click on domain, Base44 will prompt you to upgrade your plan. Connecting a custom domain is typically a premium feature, so this step is expected. Take a moment to review the available plans and choose the one that fits your needs and budget. Make sure you complete the upgrade process so that domain features become available for your project. After you've successfully upgraded, go back to the domain section. You should now see options like Add Domain or Buy Domain. If you already own a domain from another provider, click on the option to add a domain and you'll be able to enter the domain name you want to connect. If you don't have one yet, choose the option to buy a domain and follow the purchase flow that Base44 offers. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Base44 will guide you step by step, which may include verifying your domain ownership and updating DNS records with your domain registrar. Read each instruction carefully and give DNS changes some time to propagate if the connection doesn't appear immediately. And that's it. By selecting your project, heading to the dashboard, opening the domain settings, upgrading your plan, choosing Add or Buy Domain, and then following the prompts, you'll have your Base44 project running on a custom domain.